Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Saturday Home Showcase here at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene, Texas. Hope that you guys are having a great morning. It is gorgeous out here. A little crisp, that's for sure, but a great morning to take a tour of some homes. The home that I'm going to feature to you this morning is called the Bandera. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, about just under 1,800 square feet. And man, does it pack a lot of features into it. I'm going to try and do a really quick tour for you and show you around and let you see what the home looks like. If you have questions, please make a comment and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. This is the exterior of the Bandera. It's done with a exterior application we call the Evolution exterior, where they put the lap siding down below, the columns and the dormer overhead. The little window dressings on it, really nice. Now the home is done with a 50-year warranty exterior siding. We don't do the plastic sided homes. This is a product called Smart Panel, and it really does give a nice feature to the home. Now you'll see here there is an eave extension that goes all the way around the home. And that's critical for you in protecting the home from watershed and that kind of thing. We'll step up inside the house and I'll give you a look. When you come in, oh, hello, there's a shiplap accent here in the entryway. This home does have a foyer to it, which is really super nice. And then look how nice this living room opens up. Here in the living room, that entertainment center is a standard feature in here. You can have it opted out if you wish. Another nice feature is that you'll see that the lighting is done with the recessed can lights. This is a smooth textured ceiling. The overhead vents give you the freedom of furniture placement. And this home just really literally welcomes you in. Really nice sized living room up here in front. There at the entertainment center, it's already pre-wired and braced for your TV. And you can put a large, probably up to about a 75-inch TV there in the entertainment center. As you choose the home here at Oak Creek, you also get to choose all of your decor. So you've got options where that wood plank floor is. If you want to bring that into this living room, you can do that. You get to choose, actually pick the colors of your walls, the countertops, the cabinetry. All of those things are available for you. Now this home does have a really large dining area, flanked on the other side by that coffee bar, which is really cool. And then we'll show a little bit more detail of that big walk-in pantry. But I just want to let you have a take a good look here at the size of this front living room. The large windows are dual thermal pane windows, so you got high efficiency windows here in the living room, plenty of room for all kinds of furniture, just a really generous living room. And when you circle back around through the dining room and kitchen, again, you get the shiplap accent and then these really cool farmhouse style windows here on the back wall of the home. You also get a lot of cabinet space, and I like the little cubbies overhead where you can do your decor and personalization. And then you've got a 3-door tower pantry. Whew, that was tough. Right here next to the 25 cubic foot GE refrigerator. This appliance package is included. And you do have options if you wish to do a gas range, a smooth top range, or stay with the traditional coil top. Your microwave is built in, so you've got plenty of space for your countertop. And just count the number of plugs, because there's a lot of plugs in here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another one over here, 6 plugs. It's a really nice kitchen. Now, one of the things that I do want to show you in this home, excuse me, that you can't really see, that's in underneath the floor coverings, is this product called OSB. The OSB floor decking is what is used in our homes. It's a 19/32 product that offers a lot of support to the homes. And OSB is really a really unique product. It has about twice the amount of shear strength as plywood. And then you'll see on this edge how that edge is got a little contour to it, the little tongue and groove. So all of your OSB floor decking is installed in a tongue and groove fashion in the home to help increase the strength of your floor decking. And there are about 50 layers of wood product that's in there that's not just slapped together. This is all configured by the manufacturer. This floor decking actually has a 25-year warranty on it for your floor decking. So you've got a really super strong subfloor underneath the home. Again, here's another shot of that living room. Here in the kitchen, this island top is really, really nice. We've done a wood plank look for the island top. You've got cabinets here underneath the island. And then just, like I said, a lot of cabinets. I'll show you real quick on these cabinets. Another feature that I think is really kind of important are these European style hinges. The European style hinges are a concealed hinge, so you don't have the hinge mechanism on the outside of the cabinet door, and it gives you about 30% more strength to your cabinet. You'll see the ceramic tile backsplash that goes all the way around, the nice stainless steel dual well sink with the pull-out faucet. Really nice for one-handed operation, so you've got the single control and the spray faucet. Just again, another real quick look around here in the living room. I just think it's a really cool floor plan, really, really nice and open. You've got a really nice laundry area back here, complete with this laundry deep sink. So you can do, wash the puppy dogs or clean the catfish after a good day of fishing. Full-size washer dryer installation with the overhead shelf that has the hanging places for your clothes. You can put cabinets above the washer dryer if you wish. And then here also, they've got a recessed area for an upright freezer to go here in the laundry room. Now, when you come out of the laundry room, we're going to go back and take a look at the guest rooms and show you those. And on our way, I'll show you real quick this coffee bar all set up. I've had a few customers go in and put in a wine refrigerator here, which I think would be a really cool thing. But you've got a coffee bar here right next to the dining area. And then look at this big walk-in pantry. And I'm talking about literally walk-in pantry. It's really done well with several of the shelves in here. Plenty of space for a lot of storage. And that's one of the things that this home is really generous with, is the amount of storage. Here in the short hallway that goes back to the guest rooms, there's yet another storage closet at the end of the hallway, so you can put in the other things that you might need to store. The guest bathroom is a pretty large bathroom. It's got the 3-door linen cabinet here for towels and bathroom items, china sinks, not a coated sink and not an acrylic. It's a true porcelain sink, metal faucets, and then it's got a tub shower combination here at the back. Now, in the guest bedrooms, these are good-sized guest bedrooms, and one of the things that I really do like about having the vents in the ceiling, like here you've got your vents in the ceiling, is that you've got a lot of freedom for your furniture placement. I appreciate you all tuning in. You're going to love the master suite, so stay tuned. This is the other guest bedroom. Easily accommodate a queen, twin, full-size bed. The 2-inch mini blinds are included with the home. And then again, another really generous closet that gives you a lot of hanging space. And positioning these closets on the midpoint of the home lets you have the freedom to put in an extra set of hanging rods if you wish. So when you come out of the guest room area, again, I'll just kind of pan around. This is a really super good looking front living room, kitchen. I like the bar stool seating over there. Nice for coffee and snacks. Another thing I really like is the entrance to the master bedroom is recessed off of the living area. So back here in the master, you've got a really good sized room that's already wired and braced for your ceiling fans. And then you've got a big, big walk-in closet. And that closet goes all the way around. Certainly a lot of room. Could even put a dresser back in there if you wish. And then get a load of what this does for you here in the master. It's got the large 72-inch soaker tub, dual vanities, drawer bank in between the vanities, ceramic tile backsplash, and then this huge, huge mirror that goes there. It's got the transom light, transom window to bring in natural light, and I think you'll appreciate this. It's got a 6-door linen cabinet along with an open knee space vanity area. Now, man, who wouldn't like that? The little fluffy chair does not come with it, I'm sorry, but it is pretty cool. And then one of my favorite features is this ginormous big shower back here in the master that has the shower tower. That shower tower has a pull-out faucet on the other side. You can kind of see the little hose hanging there. But man, what a nice place to go in, relax, and just let some of that stress go away. So here's, again, that vanity. And then the big soaker tub. Now, this home does have a 50-gallon hot water heater, so you'll be able to use those showers and the tubs and really enjoy the features this home offers to you. We'd really love to have you come down and take a look at this home in person. We're open today and Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. Would love to show you around, let you see this home in person. As nice as it looks here on the video, it looks even better when you can come see it in person. We're located at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene. We've got about 20 homes on display. Got some great sales going right now, and for folks that want to order a home and personalize it and choose out all of their colors and options, we've got that available for you too, and we can build pretty quickly. So just want to thank you so much for tuning in today, watching another live presentation here at the Oak Creek Home Center. This is Bill Wilkins. You can reach us at 325-480-0035. You're welcome to stop by the website at oakcreekabilene.com or give us a call. Hope that we get to see you. Hope that you have a fantastic day and a great rest of the weekend. I want to say hi to Karen. I want to say hi to my buddy James that's laid up there in Lubbock. I hope that things get better for you. So anyway, you guys have a great afternoon, and hopefully we'll get to see you down here at 1210 North Clack at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. Thank you.